Okay everyone, so I'm back with another video today. Today's video, I've been using this bad boy for over 2 months now, and I just want to give everybody an update on my experiences with the device after 2 months. But before I get into this video, check this out. Okay everyone, so I'm back with another video today. Today's video, yes, I want to give everyone an update on my experiences with the Galaxy Z Fold4. I've been using the phone for about 2 months now, and I just want to give everyone an update. Yes, I still have the Fold. I still love it. I have it as one of my daily drivers. I've been using the Moto Edge 2022 as my main SIM, but this one does have my other SIM in there. I carry this phone everywhere I go. I can edit videos on this thing now using Power Director or even Adobe Rush. I've been using a pen more on this device, but there are some things that still, irk my nerves, wish they would change. I do still wish that the front display is a little bit wider. I mean, I can't get past it. It is what it is. This phone probably will be the phone of the year for me unless, say, the Pixel 7 Pro or even the S22 Ultra, which was a great phone too. I don't know which one yet, but this one, the front display still could be a little bit better. The hinge, as you can tell, I know someone in my other video says that it's just me, but I think the hinge is getting more noticeable. And then just listen to something too, I noticed too. Just that little, I don't know if you can hear it though, let's see. I don't know what that noise is. That wasn't there before in my previous videos. That just started happening. I mean, I'm not too scared about it. The screen still looks beautiful. The other thing that Samsung is not doing is updating this Fold4 as quick as other phones on their lineup. If I go into display, I go to update. This is unlocked version of the Z Fold4, and I'm still on July. So they're not updating it, but now the things I do like about it, things that are different from the Z Fold 3, and I mentioned in my other videos, the battery life is great. I have no complaints about the battery life. I can usually take it off the phone at say 6 o'clock in the morning and probably still have 30 or 40% at nighttime when I go to bed, and I can charge it pretty quick. It charges really quick on here. Now, battery life is subjective. I haven't seen anybody really complain about it with the Z Fold4. If you had the Z Fold4, let me know how you are liking your phone. Do you hate it? Have you returned it? Let's have a friendly discussion going. And overall, the same things I liked about it in the other videos, I still like it. I mean, multitasking on here has been great. I mean, what other phone can you do 3 different things at one time and still look good? The taskbar, gotta love the taskbar down there. It makes it easier to even open up apps. I mean, like if I want to just get out of here and say I want to open Chick-fil-A, someone's shopping at Family Dollar, but I can just simply go through my apps and it's easy. Now, gaming on here has been great. The speakers on here are really good too, but also the pen. I mean, once you go in here, you can use all your pen support here. I like Screen Write, Smart Slot, and then taking notes. If I'm ever at work and I want to take a note, I just can click on my note and start taking a note. So the pen support on here, and then using the pen to edit videos too is a great feature. So the pen support, I mean, it has Edge on here. It has all the normal things that you look for when you get the Z Fold4. Again, one other thing too is pen support for the front. I know a lot of people complained about it. I wish that was better. The fingerprint scanner is great. The face unlock is great too. I mean, there's just a lot of things to like about this phone. Now, do I wish it was a little bit thinner? Yes. I mean, they could definitely do something. I don't know what they could do with the hinge. I mean, the hinge is a lot harder to open. And now I mean, look at that. You can do flex mode. If you have a phone, if you have a folding phone, and you can't do flex mode, is it really a folding phone? I don't know. That was a Twitter debate going on. I mean, I do like the flex mode though. I'm not gonna lie. But I wish we had other choices out there when it came to folding phones. Look, I don't want to make this video too long. The gripes that people have, I know they say it costs too much, it's not durable. I've been using it. I don't have any major problems with the phone yet. I'm still loving it. Stay tuned to the channel. I will come and maybe do a monthly checkup with y'all just to know if anything else changes on this phone. Maybe something pops up that I don't like about it. I'll also do a year-end video, especially if this is the phone that I picked for phone of the year. But if you like this video, give it a thumbs up. If you haven't subscribed to my channel yet, make sure you do so for more coverage on the Galaxy Z Fold4. Also, make sure you follow me on Twitter at 4sreviews. Become part of the BAM Nation. Until next time, peace. I'm out of here.